Now let's say you have a child that you love, comes home and tells you, hey mom, hey dad, am I fat? And your child is definitely grossly overweight, right? And rather than tell the child the truth that, yes, son or daughter, you're fat, you tell them, no, honey, you're not fat. You're just big boned. Because that's politically what we have been expected to do, right? And then your child goes off into the same high school or grade school in the same arena with the same people, and they tell him, hey man, you're fat. And he says this, my mom says I'm not. She says I'm big boned. I'm not fat. My mama loves me. And what you have created is a victim. And then everybody around that circle, right? Both the antagonist and the protagonist, right? Now must submit to something less than the truth, right? They must believe something other than what they are looking at, right? Because someone got offended about the truth. Yeah. Now we got to make believe in society that you're something else than what you really are, and that's fat. And I think it's important to understand that I have always had a weight problem. And my mama never cut me any slack. She would wrap a chain around the refrigerator. We drank nothing but diet drinks. I went to the diet center for many years as a child. I still am not the most skinniest sumbitch in the world. And I have to work at it daily, right? But that is a whole lot better. Hallelujah. I am so glad my mom had the faith and courage to tell me the truth that, son, yep, you're fat. And she would follow it up with this. But you can change that if you want to. You can watch this. You can eat that. You can drink this instead of that. We had a mile-long drive to the end of the highway, from our street to the end of the highway. And she would tell me 20 minutes before she was ready to leave to get to stepping. And then if I wasn't there yet, she would pull down there and wait on me until I got there running or jogging or walking to take me to school. Every fucking school day of my life. See, she was just as committed as I didn't want to be, because I was fat and I just wanted everyone to accept it and act like I wasn't fat, right? And don't tell me the truth or I might get offended, and then I'm going to change the environment to raise weak individuals to believe something that they're not seeing. Isn't that exactly what's happened in the last 4 years? The greatest thing I could do for my child and the people I love is tell them the truth and give them their options. Because the last thing we need any more of in society is more victims that run around and say, but my mom told me, my grandma told me, my daddy said. What happens when all those people are dead and gone? And our offspring don't know the truth or learn the lesson that you're more than conquerors. Fluent English.